kind of dreary, but you might like it. It's good sleeping in weather if you're allowed to do that. But if you have to get out early tomorrow morning, fog may slow you down. Remember to check in with Chuck at 4 a.m. Now, John.
Yes.
I know it looks dark, and it is dark, but that's the circle. That's the view from our camera at the circle. And usually we can see the lights around Monument Circle, and at least the IPL building. It's down there somewhere, I promise. But that's an indication of how low the cloud deck is, and fog is going to be the main weather issue first thing tomorrow morning. And it's 57 degrees in Indianapolis right now. Winds are light and out of the west-southwest at 5 miles per hour. Today's high 69. If you were with us last night, we talked about the high temperature happening shortly after midnight. That's when it happened. We spent most of the afternoon in the upper 50s. Our low so far today, 56 degrees. We're not forecasting much of a drop overnight. We'll be in the middle and upper 50s first thing tomorrow morning. No measurable precipitation, at least at the airport in Indianapolis, and rain totals quite a bit lower compared to yesterday. Just a few hundredths from Terre Haute to Crawfordsville to Plainfield from our weather bug network sites, but we definitely had the drizzle today, the low clouds and the fog. Visibility already down to a mile in Indianapolis, even lower across the eastern sections of Boone County, western sections of Hamilton County, and then back across Hendricks and Putnam counties. And we have reduced visibility around Richmond as well. Visibility now down to 2.5 miles. So low clouds, fog, and drizzle early tomorrow morning. Future Track 13 doesn't show much of a change during the day tomorrow, so tomorrow will look very similar to what we had today. Definitely a gray day, and we'll be dodging a few pockets of drizzle as well. A 9 a.m. temperature of 57, cloudy skies and 62 at 1 p.m. on Thursday, and it will be another damp afternoon with afternoon temperatures in the middle and upper 60s. We're forecasting 5 p.m. at 65. But look at the jump between tomorrow afternoon to Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon, we're going to be in the mid-70s, and there are some low 80s on the map out to our west. We will get that warm as we head into the weekend. Now, Friday will start with patchy fog, but finally some sunshine on Friday afternoon. As you can see with Future Track 13, we start to clear. We'll focus on that for the start of the weekend. We'll focus on a developing cold front to our northwest for the end of the weekend, so fairly active the next couple of days. It'll be low clouds, fog, and drizzle tomorrow with highs in the 60s. Some sunshine back into the 70s on Friday, mainly clear for Operation Football on Friday night. Saturday warm at 82. We stay ahead of the cold front most of Sunday. That front brings us a chance for some late day rain and then some cooler air early next week.